All right, so this is my 1986.5 automatic, 123,000 miles, black, triple black. We're going to take this on a little bit of a driving run on the freeway to give you a little bit of a feel how this car performs on the freeway, and try not to hit anybody here as we turn. So this car has gone through extensive deferred maintenance. All the items that you want to find of what's been done on Bring a Trailer, you guys can look at all the details there. I'm not going to rehash them here. But this car's got really smooth power delivery. You'll see right here when we get on the freeway, it gets up and goes. The 86.5 is a nice model year because it's got the true dual exhaust, the advanced suspension, the S4 suspension, brakes, upgraded brakes, everything right here. So it works out pretty good. So we're going to get on the freeway here and give you a little sample of what this feels like. Electronics in the car work, sunroof, power windows, brakes feel really good, they're tight, firm, no squeaking, steering is straight. Put a new steering rack in, so no leaks. And with the 86.5 exhaust, I mean, there's absolutely zero drone in the car. You can talk, you can listen to music, everything sounds great. Speaking of music, we have a brand new 2022 Alpine head unit, digital media unit here. All 8 speakers work and they sound great. So that's a big plus. So when you're out cruising on a great day like this, you have some great tunes. Great ride, get plenty of thumbs ups. As you can see, this car just wants to go and it just performs great. All the deferred maintenance has really helped just bring this car back to life. AC works great, nice and cold. Turn signals, stops, lights, all interior lights work, exterior lights work. So this car is definitely worthy of being able to be driven anywhere. I have full confidence, water pump, timing belt, all the bearings, tensioners, all the important things to really ensure this car is going to give plenty of smiles for the next owner. You've got the integrated Bluetooth hands-free calling with the new unit. It's at a nice concealed spot. Didn't make any extra holes or into the existing interior. Can be completely removed without any issue. Turn that off so you can hear a little bit better. Other than that, this is a great car for somebody. The automatic's got plenty of power. It's shiftable. You can go from 2 to 3. We'll demonstrate that real quick here. So going down to 2, then we'll give it a little gas here. So real quick, hit 80 fast. So it'll get it going. So nice, easy shifting, gives you plenty of power, gives you a little bit of fun when you really want to punch it. All gauges work. So hopefully we'll have a lucky buyer for this car. We'll go from there. Let's give it a thumbs up. Awesome, sweet.
Boom.